Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX is a mobile palace. Outside, lightweight composite materials, such as carbon fiber or aluminum, will be used to construct the body for maximum weight and thermal insulation. The design will mix modern aerodynamic elements with the Actros' extremely sharp lines. With double or triple glazing for insulation, large windows will provide stunning views of the outside world. The front and rear have movable LED headlights, while the sides have LED mood lighting. Inside, driving cockpit area, high-end leather seats, user-friendly digital controls, and a large infotainment screen with navigation, networking, and a 360-degree camera system are all features of the ergonomic design. Living area, spacious area with a leather sofa shaped like L or U, a coffee table that can be raised or lowered, and maybe swivel seats. Large flat-screen television. Kitchen, multi-burner induction stove, dishwasher, convection oven, microwave. Large refrigerator with freezer, and possibly a built-in coffee machine. There is a way to lock travel, and plenty of storage. There are 4 king or queen beds with orthopedic mattresses and built-in storage. Driven by the latest generation of Mercedes-Benz OM 471 and 473 470th diesel engines, which are most likely tuned for maximum torque and fuel efficiency. These engines have advanced turbocharging, high-pressure common rail injection, and maybe mild hybrid technology or a more environmentally friendly alternative engine option to meet 2026 emissions rules. This fully integrated smart home system controls lighting, temperature, blinds, entertainment, security, and tank level monitoring through a central touch panel or smartphone app. Advanced climate system for maximum comfort. There are multiple independently controlled heating and cooling zones, including floor heating, high-capacity lithium-ion batteries that can operate continuously without an outlet makeup, a bank of these batteries, alarm systems, external security camera.